How to add WhatsApp chat button in Google Sites. So the first step is to simply go to this website, which is Elsite, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply create your free account. Then the next step is to simply click on the search bar and then simply search for WhatsApp and then simply click on WhatsApp chat. And as you can see here on the left side, you're gonna have different templates that you can choose from. So simply choose any of these templates and then click on continue with this template. Now here what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your WhatsApp number, and then basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply copy the code. So you're gonna have to simply copy. So let me enter my phone number here really fast. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply select free here. So I'm gonna choose the free version of Elfsight. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on copy code. So you're gonna have to copy this code. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to Google Sites and then simply click on embed, and then simply click on embed code and paste here, and then click on next and then insert. And as you can see, now we have our WhatsApp button. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.